Hey friends, I'm Broccoli. Welcome to KidDraws. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw and color a space shuttle. In Spanish stands for, and the space shuttle is in space. So I'm going to draw some pieces. Okay. Next I'm drawing piece. Now I'm going to draw the main engines. Wow. It's a storm coming. So, the storm will come outside. That's the storm coming. Now we finished that piece. Now let's draw the wings. Now, let's draw their wing. Oh, it's getting windy outside. Now let's draw. Now look, we finish it. We still need one more of the space shuttle, and then we do the rocket. It is the window. Okay, let's draw it. So the window will be right here. Let's try again. Now we finish it. Let's spell NASA on the wing. N A S A. NASA. Now let's draw the flag. Now let's draw the rocket. First, let's draw the solid rocket boosters. Let's draw the main engines here. Now let's draw the main engines on each booster. Okay, that's all. Rocket booster looks finished. Next, let's do the other one. Let's do this. Now let's do this. Fire. Now let's draw the tank. This one is orange. Tank is orange. Now we look finished. Let's color. I will color the flag red. Ooh, that's for blue. Light blue. This one's blue. Red. Red again. Red again. Now we did it. Look at that. Now let's draw some fire. Wow, that looks cool. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.